Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today, very nice steak sandwich. It's the one steak sandwich absolutely delicious. What we need is this. I'm going to make this steak sandwich with beef, bavette, onglet. It's cheap cut, but it's absolutely delicious. I'm gonna use some salad, mushroom, red onion. It's a lot of stuff, but it's just a little bit of everything. Blue cheese, salt and pepper, mustard, mayonnaise, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, some Guinness, and I use Ciabatta bread. You can use any bread you like. Okay, the pan is already on, gonna be very hot, and we start, guys. Okay, we start to season the meat first because it's better we do the beginner. Salt, be generous, okay? Salt and pepper, a little nice touch of olive. Don't worry about the salt because it's just flavor. Okay, we leave here this one. The next is the bread. This is the same, guys. Nice ciabatta. We put a little touch of oil. We do this because it goes everywhere. And again, salt and pepper. Be generous, guys, because it's flavor. Okay? And this going on pan. Okay? Look at that. Press it. If you're scared to burn yourself, use one plate and look at that. We're gonna have a nice color. And you leave that. Now, guys, we're gonna do the dressing for the steak, okay? But I'll show you when the bread is ready. Gonna be, I think, you see, check it. You know, gonna be nice and crispy. Gonna be ready in a couple minutes, okay? See you soon. Okay, guys, the bread is perfect, what we want, and we leave here on the bowl. Okay, and this is one thing is already done. Now is the bavette. This is gonna cook around 3.5, 4 minutes per side, okay? Plus we put there as well a nice mushroom, okay? We put here. And we chop some onion, not too thin because we need a ring like this. 2. I think 3 is enough for me. Later depend how many sandwiches you do it. 1, 2, and 3 as well. Mushroom, onion, season it, and leave that. Okay, now guys, we're going to do a little dress. We use some Worcestershire sauce, around 3-4 teaspoons. We use some Tabasco. This put slowly because you depend how much you like. Anyway, now mix. And this we're gonna use soon when the steak we turn it. We're gonna start glaze the steak. Okay, see you soon. Okay, guys, now it's the time to turn this. Nice. The secret for this, when it's cooked, gonna rest a little bit before. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website, cookingwithanitalia.com. Now, what we're doing is this. It's the sauce we prepare. We just put a little bit here on the mushroom, on this onion. Okay, don't forget as well the mushroom and the onion. We're gonna turn, yeah, careful. And now, guys, we're gonna prepare this. This is our sauce. We need here a nice spoon of mustard. If you use the mustard you like, a couple teaspoon of mayo. Again, the Worcestershire. A little bit. We have again Tabasco. Yeah, it's done. And touch of salt and pepper. Mix everything. A little touch of olive oil. And this is gonna be the sauce. I'm gonna go in the sandwich. You see? Perfect. Okay, see you when the steak is ready. And I'll show you when we're gonna dress the sandwich, okay? Here is almost everything is ready. When the steak, you know, later depend how do you like, but I cut a little bit to show you this is already super nice. Now I will give you another touch of nice flavor. We put some Guinness inside. Just a little bit on the top, mushroom and this, and wait till everything gonna absorb it. But guys, the smell is amazing, okay? Leave another minute like that. Yeah, look at that. You can turn the gas off now and leave everything to rest. In this time, we do this. We take the bread and we start dress. Some sauce everywhere, you know, because it's gonna be ready everything. I like some salad, any salad you like, guys. Okay, put always a little touch. You know, we can have the mushroom inside. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. We can take the onion. It's beautiful, guys. Now we put a little bit more, just like that. A very tiny touch of salt. And now, guys, we wait around 3 minutes like that. We leave it to rest this one. Later we cut it and the sandwich is ready. Okay, I show you in 2-3 minutes. Okay, the bread is almost ready. Now we take the steak. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Now you cut the way you like. Not too thin, not too thin. Okay, this is perfect, guys. Okay, look at that. Ooh, fantastic. This is one of the best steak sandwich ever. Be generous. Oh, look there, guys. This is absolutely delicious. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Now, guys, this is the moment to put some blue cheese, just like that, because the meat is very hot. It's gonna melt. We're gonna elevate this stuff. Oh, this, look at that. It's done, guys. Now, I can tell you, after this steak, you can die. You are the best thing ever. Okay, look at that. Oh. And now, okay, guys, beautiful. Okay, guys, I want to let you know, this is the best steak sandwich ever. Try it. And if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.